Welcome to the Comm Systems channel as we explore security in healthcare facilities. Hospitals and healthcare facilities are places of healing, but they also carry unique security challenges. Every day, thousands of patients, staff members, and visitors move through these environments. With sensitive areas like operating rooms, pharmacies, neonatal units, and data centers, it's vital to maintain strict safety and security standards. That's where advanced security camera systems come in. Modern healthcare facilities rely on high-definition surveillance to create a secure environment. Cameras monitor entrances and exits, ensuring only authorized individuals have access. In emergency rooms and waiting areas, they help prevent disturbances, protect staff, and provide valuable evidence if incidents occur. Pharmacies and medication storage areas are protected by cameras that deter theft and safeguard against unauthorized access. Patient privacy is carefully balanced with security, using cameras in common and restricted areas while respecting confidential care zones. In addition, integrated camera systems allow real-time monitoring, helping administrators respond quickly to threats, locate missing patients, and manage crowd control during high-traffic periods. A safer environment for patients, healthcare professionals, and the sensitive assets that keep hospitals running. At Comm Systems, we specialize in designing and installing advanced security camera solutions tailored for healthcare facilities. Our goal is to protect what matters most: people, data, and essential services. Thank you for watching Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.